We got this from the mail. It's time to unbox it. So here it is. Joyo Infinite Sustainer device. Has the standard owner's manual, which we will probably not read because I've researched this many times. And there it goes. It's a Joyo JG-01 Infinite Sustain. I'll show you later what this does. And it even comes with a free battery. So I'll set it up and try it on the guitar. See you in a while. Right, so this is the Joyo Infinite Sustain. This is a copy of a tool that was used by a lot of guitarists before, like Phil Keaggy, who's one of my favorite players. What it is an EBO is a device that moves your strings without having to pluck, and it gives infinite sustain, or it will sustain as long as you have it on the strings. What it is just this. So these two parts are what excite the strings. These are guides, and these are guides, but the whole thing vibrates the strings. So this is my first time to try it. The first battery that was inside was kind of dead, so I had to put in the replacement one, but this one. So the first time you turn it on, see the blue light. There are two modes, and I don't actually know which is which. One is just the regular, and the other one gives you overtones. So let's try. I'm guessing the one backward is just the regular, so let's try. So, wow. Takes some getting used to, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Let's try the other mode, which I'm guessing is the overtone. Wow, but it's a little softer. The volume is softer on this one, but it does give a like I said, it takes a little getting used to, but I guess with practice. Or maybe I don't even know how to actually hold it. Okay, so you hold it this way. So there it is. Oh, the Joyo Infinite Sustainer.